guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna do this makeup look right here which I created for the Pride month, and I'm in love with it. I've never played so much with colors. So if you want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Also, before we begin with the video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon besides it to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And now let's get right into the video. Hi guys, so I'm gonna start by prepping my skin. So for primer, I'm using the Wet n Wild Dewy Finish Primer, and I'm just taking a drop of that primer and applying it all over my face using this brush. It gives a very glowy and a very beautiful base underneath your makeup. For foundation, I'm using the MAC Studio Fix foundation. I'm in the shade NC42 and I'm applying this all over my face. It gives an amazing coverage and also it's a perfect match for my skin. To blend my foundation, I'm using this makeup sponge which is by Cal Los Angeles. To cover my dark circles, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer and I'm in the shade Caramel. This is the perfect match for my skin tone. I'm quickly gonna fill in my eyebrows using a dark brown eyeshadow, and after that I'm gonna highlight the bottom of my eyebrows using the same Fit Me concealer, and this makes a whole lot of difference. Then I'm using this Fash Cosmetics eyeshadow palette which is really old, and honestly I kind of regret buying this eyeshadow palette, but this is the only colorful eyeshadow palette that I own. So I'm gonna start off by using yellow on the inner corners of my eyes, and then moving forward I'm using an orange eyeshadow at the center of my eyelid, and for the outer corners I'm using this Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette, and I'm using a red eyeshadow and just winging that color at the end of my eyelid, just like this, creating a cat eye effect and just blending all the colors. For the other eye, I'm using the same Fash Cosmetics palette and I'm using green, blue and purple from that palette and just blending all the colors on my eye, again giving that cat eye finish. I really had a hard time blending these colors because they're really not great quality eyeshadows. So just to clean up that mess, I'm gonna use a concealer to give a very sharp edge to the eye look, and it looks a whole lot better. Now to set my under eyes, I'm using this banana shade from the Cal Los Angeles Chiseled Contour palette. I'm really loving this palette right now. Then I'm gonna fill my lower lash line using the same eyeshadows that I used on my lids in the same gradient way. Then to line my waterline, I'm using this Colourpop gel liner in the shade Honey Dude, and to finish it off I'm using a mascara which is by Maybelline. This is the Colossal Volume Express mascara. I'm nicely coating my top and bottom lashes using this mascara. Then from the same contouring palette, I'm taking the contouring shade and I'm contouring under my cheekbones, my forehead and also my jawline. This definitely brings some life back to my face. Then for blush, I'm using the Flower Beauty blush which is in the shade Peach Primrose. This is a very nice peachy color and I'm applying this on the apples of my cheeks. For highlighter, I'm using my MAC Soft and Gentle highlighter and I'm highlighting all the high points of my face. For lipstick, I'm mixing two lipsticks. One is the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Trendsetter, and I'm topping it off with the MAC satin lipstick in the shade Retro. I'm just dabbing a little bit of that shade on my lips, and this is my perfect nude color. So this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and had fun watching this beautiful colorful makeup look. Let me know what do you guys think about this makeup look. I am in love with it. If you guys enjoyed today's video, then please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!